Hey everybody, you join me today in the Paramount Workshop where I'm going to talk you through a really exciting new upgrade that we've got. You may have followed some of our previous videos and seen some of our products on our cold air induction kits, starting with our F-type induction kit, moving on to our XF induction kits, and now we have our very first Jaguar XJR, so this is for the 5 litres, both the 6 and 8 speeds, fully cold air induction kit. And by full, it's going all the way from the throttle body all the way through to the filters. Reinforced, full silicone intake kit. This thing sounds amazing. So less of me talking about it and let's actually hear the car itself. Andy, do you want to fire her up? Let's listen to this make some noise. Go on then. What more is there to say? You want to hear your supercharger? You want to unlock some more horsepower? Cold air induction kit for your XJR. You'll find it on our shop soon. Get your names down for these because they're going to start selling really fast. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed listening to it. Come on, one more time. Andy, go on, one more.